Alright guys, here is the fourth unboxing for the trucks that I got from the internet, and the third truck is the Training Trucks Megalodon. And yeah, I decided, like I said, I decided I'm gonna open the training trucks after all, so yeah. So, without further ado, let's get this bad boy unboxed. So here is the figure and the truck. I'm not going to show the poster because I'm sure you guys know what that looks like. Alright, so here's the Train Trucks Megalodon. So it's got white tire treads and blue chrome rims and black BKT printing, which looks really awesome. And mine has the chassis mold, or the closed frame, as they call it. So yeah, I think I believe I could be wrong, but I think I'm the first person on YouTube to have the Train Trucks Megalodon with the closed frame, or the closed frame variant, because a lot of the collectors on YouTube have the Train Trucks Megalodon with the open frame variant. So yeah. So let's check out the Train Trucks Megalodon in graphic detail. So it's a gray cab. It says Megalodon on the side, Monster Jam logo, and then, like, I guess you could say that's teeth. And then some buffs and scratches. You have more on the top. Then same stuff on this side, and some stripes there, and it is a metal base, so the chassis part is the die cast of this truck. So yeah, definitely really cool. Alright, so yeah, that was the Spin Master Monster Jam Training Trucks Megalodon. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please smash that like and subscribe button. And just like Primeval and Super Trucker, this will also make its debut in Sign Up Series 23. So yeah. Alright guys, look forward to the last unboxing, which is the Training Trucks Dragon. Alright guys, till next time. Bye.